as we quickly move to convenience and celebrate the loss of movement as a human benefit or a sign of progress, we're not very clear on the role these movements have in maintaining our physiology or preventing other diseases from settling in. And I think that there's quite a bit of evidence that, movement is the most preventive or protective thing people can do for their health. So the idea that convenience is superior because it saves us time is it's very challengeable. It'd be a very narrow perspective, maybe only an economic perspective or a time is money perspective, where losing the movement would actually be beneficial to the humans or the human race. So yeah, getting, knife skills, like as scary as it sounds, you've got 3 under 3, but again, around the world, being able to be physically capable with everyday tools is something that other cultures really instill in their children right away. They need capable children.